Hello, guys. Have you been itching to vacation just as much as I am? Well, don't worry. I'm here to tell you a few places that you can travel to, and I will assure you you will have the best experience of your life. First off, we have the city of Dubai. City of Dubai is one of tourists' main attractions, and people from all over the world visit just to see their beautiful lights, their leisure attractions such as their mall and their museums, and old architectures. The Dubai Mall is one of the first places you should be able to visit because they have on the ground level they have an aquarium that tourists from all over the world come to visit. Their aquarium is huge and it is located on the ground level of the mall. The Dubai Mall offers an unparalleled retail variety combined with world-class dining, entertainment, and leisure attractions. Next up, we have the Dubai Museum. The Dubai Museum is located in Al Fahidi Fort and it was built in 1787. It is the oldest museum, it's the oldest building existing in Dubai, which is why it is the museum. The museum was opened by the ruler of Dubai in 1971 with the aim of presenting the traditional way of life in the Emirate of Dubai. If you're in the mood for something more date night worthy and relaxing, then while in Dubai, you can visit the Dubai Opera. The Dubai Opera is a 2,000-seat multi-format performing arts center. It's located within the Opera District in downtown Dubai. It was developed by Emaar Properties to host a variety of performances and events including theater, opera, ballet, concerts, conferences, and exhibitions. Its plans were announced by Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Mohammed Khan in March 2012 and it was completed in 2016. It was open all the way on August 31st with a performance of Placido Domingo. If you would like a getaway to somewhere fun where you can see old structural architectural buildings, then next up we have Mexico. Mexico is one of the most well-known places to visit. People go there from all over the world just to see many of their old buildings. Being in Mexico, you would never want your vacation to end. First up, if you're in Mexico, you have to visit Monte Alban. Monte Alban was founded in the 6th century BC on a low mountainous range overlooking the city of Oaxaca and functioned as their capital 13 centuries between 500 BC and 800 AD. Its impressive architectural remains, terraces, pyramids, and canals extend over some 4 miles. Another famous site that you will be glad you stopped by while on this trip is Uxmal was flourished between the 6th and 10th century. The ruins of the ceremonial structures of Uxmal represent the pinnacle of late Maya art and architecture in their design, layout, and ornamentation. Labna and Seal admirably demonstrate the social and economic structure of the late Maya society. If you're ready to cool off for the summer as much as I am, I have the perfect spot for you. Cancun Beach, Mexico, is a very well-known beach located in Mexico and a major touristic attraction. They are packed all day, every day, and I promise it is the best place to take a day off and relax. While being on vacation, it's always to throw in a little bit of a learning experience. Visiting the Palenque will assure you that you will leave with some knowledge on Palenque and its foundation. Located in the foothills of the Chiapas Altiplano of modern knowledge on Palenque and its foundation, Palenque was an important Maya city which flourished between c. 600 and 750 CE. The name Palenque derives from the Spanish meaning fortified place, but the original Maya name we know was La Cama. As much as I love the summertime and the heat, I also need some cold. One great place to visit if you're looking for a nice little icy getaway, the San Ignacio Balloon is one of the best places to visit. It is located in Greenland. It's known for It is known for sightseeing, boat traveling, and whale watching. The San Ignacio Lagoon is also the critical habitat for the nearly extinct Berendo or pronghorn antelope and an important feeding habitat for four of the world's 7 species of turtles: leatherbacks, hawkbills, green turtles, and olive varieties, and they are all endangered. Another beautiful thing while visiting Greenland is just experiencing the snow. Being around the glaciers and around a body of water is really the main experience of Greenland. Next up, we have whale watching. This is one of the most known places for whale watching because it is right next to a big body of water. We also have the Northern Lights. This is the main reason people come and visit Greenland. We also have dog sledding. People love dog sledding. And the Sermek which is one of the fastest and most active glaciers in the world. Its cap reaches the sea. It is It has been studied for over 250 years and has not changed shape. Traveling will get you to experience new foods, create new memories with friends and family, and experience many new cultures. Travel safe and travel lightly, because when you do, you'll make sure you have the best time ever. Overall, traveling is a great experience, and these are great places that will make sure that you have the best time ever. Travel safe and travel